Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! So welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Toad from Mario. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff because it really does help out the channel a lot. And it's super appreciated when you do. Okay, so I'm going to start drawing Toad. I'm going to start with a shape like this. Just a bit of a curved line. So this is going to be like the top of that big mushroom hat of his. And then we're going to make like a big U shape for his face shape. Like that. And now we need 2 ovals for his eyes, and then we're going to do an oval inside each eye. You know, I'm going to make those eyes a little bit bigger. Let me thicken them up a little bit. And you can color the bottom part dark. Okay, and now we're going to give him a little smile. So I'm going to do a little line like that, and a little line like that, where both of his cheeks would be. And then a line connecting the both of them. And then big open mouth. And now we're going to do like a little hill here for his tongue inside his mouth. Okay, so now we're going to come on down a little bit. And this is going to be part of his vest. But right here, we are going to do a shoe. So big, roundish shape shoe. Like that. And then we're going to make the bottom part of his shoe right there. And now over here we're going to start on the other side of his vest. So we're just doing a little line down here, and then it's coming up a bit, and we're going straight down right here, and then we're doing a little side line like that. And now right here, we're going to finish this part of his vest by just doing a line right there. And we're going to do one more line right here because this part of the vest is yellow and this part of the vest is red. And right here, we're going to do that yellow stripe, that yellow trim on the vest. So there we go. So now we're totally done with the vest. And we're going to make a little curve here, and a little curve line here. So this is Toad's pants. I think they're pants. It kind of looks like a diaper, and if it is a diaper, then that's okay. But I think they're probably pants. And now we're going to do the other foot. Okay, so one foot is up in the air and the other foot is down below. And now he needs 2 little hands. So we're going to do a little thumb and then attach his arm to his little shoulder. And then he needs 4 little fingers here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 little fingers. And then bring that arm to the vest. Okay, now he needs another little hand over on this side. So do a little line like that for the arm. Now a little thumb, and now 4 little fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then come on down with a line like that. Okay, so now we gotta do his big mushroom hat. So this is quite large. It's a great big circular shape. Great big giant hat. I hope it is nice and light on his head, otherwise he'd be having headaches. Alright, so now we need a shape like that, and a shape like that on the other side, and then a circle in the middle. So these are obviously the spots on his mushroom hat, and they're gonna go red. Okay, so we are actually done our little drawing of Toad. So I'm gonna take a black Sharpie marker and I'm gonna outline all around him. I find that this really helps to make the picture pop off the page a bit more. And then I'm gonna color in him, and I'm gonna add some color to the background. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you folks back here next time for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye!